Hey guys, in this video I'm going to take you out to a food plot where I have a diverse cover crop mix planted. It's already popping up, so I can't really run over it and spray it. It's got a grass component, a legume component, and a forb component, so that I can't use selective herbicides either. So we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'll show you how I go about taking care of problem weeds so that they don't get out of hand next year. Then we're going to head out to a couple other food plots and we'll assess what's going on with them, spray them accordingly, and I'll show you at the end how I go about fixing up my kill plot so it's ready in the fall and producing good forage. That's the place where I got a couple of nice bucks here. This one got painted by the grandkids. But, you know, get some nice buck out there. It's a good kill plot near cover, and can't wait to show it to you. So stay tuned. Hit the like button if you get something out of this video down below. Subscribe and click on the bell so that you know when I post a video. All right, I'll see you on the inside. Today we're going to do weed control the old-fashioned way. This is a way to get your weeds under control without using any chemicals. You don't need a tractor, a sprayer, four-wheeler. Just need your two hands and a strong back, which I don't have, but we're going to do this anyway. This takes me back to the old pipeline maintenance days when we used to use these every day. Okay, so we have a warm season planting in here, and there's thistle about to go to seed head. It never got sprayed, so it's too late to spray it now because it's already 5 feet tall and it's making flower. So all I have to do is really cut that off. It's a biannual, so the rosettes need to be sprayed. They didn't get sprayed, so they bolted. They're making seed. Cut them off, and then that particular plant is dead and won't reproduce next year. So if you just keep at it like that, you can do some spot spraying, some clipping with one of these guys. A weed whacker. Yeah, it's 25 bucks. Heavy duty. I'm going to time this and then we'll see how long it takes me to do this acre. Alright, get back to you when I'm done and I'll let you know how long it took me. Shaking the bush here, boss. Shaking the bush. If you know what movie reference that is, comment down below. Maybe I'll work up a prize for you guys. If you know what that is. One of the best movies of all time. Alright, that's once around. Alright, well that took me about an hour and 15 minutes to do an acre. I got all the thistles. You know, I'm sure there's some escapees. I can see one right now. But I put a hurting on them, and oh geez, there's one 3 feet tall right there. All right, so I just scan out there and look for some escapees and hit them real quick, and then you're done. It's not that bad. It's just a little hot today, but that heat's going to get this warm season food plot going. Hopefully it'll rain. As you can see, it's a super dry site. This is just nothing but dust right here, and that's why the turkeys are in here dusting. They're really hitting this. Probably, I wish I had a camera here. Set up a camera and get the turkeys dusting. It'd be pretty cool. All right, on to the next thing. Okay, this is a little Idaho food plot. Doesn't look too bad. There's a thistle over there. I'll take care of that. The clover is decent. And I mixed up a batch of clethodim at 9 ounces to the acre and 2,4-DB a pint to the acre, and I am mixing that in some vegetable oil. There's my veggie oil, and that helps it stick better and penetrate the leaves better. I'll fill that up the rest of the way with water, spray it on with my backpack. That should take care of the grass and release all that clover. Okay, in this food plot, this is the one that I have e-fenced to keep the deer off of it. There's not a lot of weeds in here, but there's not much else either. The rye didn't really do much. Clover is very short, it's going to seed, not real palatable. So I think what I'll do is just grab these few thistles and velvet leaf that are in here, spot spray them, just to keep them at bay, and take another look at this later. The clover is, I would say, very sparse. A couple of weeds here and there. But that one plant can cover this whole food plot in thistle if you don't take care of it. So I think I'll get rid of what's in my tank, spot spraying this. I have a lot of bare soil. You can see how dry it is. It's not too bad, a little bit down. But towards fall, I'll put brassicas on and roll it. Roll the brassicas in ahead of some rain. We'll let the brassicas come up, and I'll probably put red clover in there. Red clover can handle this dry weather a little bit better. And probably get soil test and do a little fertilizing. This used to be a good food plot, and the clover just isn't cutting it. All right, and then that's about it for today. But that's food plot maintenance. Got to do it. It only took me a half a day. It took me longer to drive out here than it did to do the work. So no excuses. Get your ass out and get your food plots maintained. Be sure and hit the like and subscribe button and click on the bell so you'll be notified when there's a new video. And comment down below and let me know if there's anything you'd like to know more about.